Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma. More than 200 students of ours have been placed in TCS, in NQT, as well as in digital profile. And results is not out for all, only for a certain section of people. Which means what? We are sure that more than 300 students will be placed in TCS only from our batches. Okay. And this is a record created. And not only that, even from YouTube and Instagram, I think I've got more than 100 messages from them saying that, sir, your interview videos have helped us crack and get placed in TCS, and they have also sent their offer letters. So we are very happy to know, and we wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Now, there are a lot of queries with respect to TCS results. Okay, many people are like, sir, our results is not out, but for our friends, the results are out. Okay, this happens in two cases. Case number one, if it is coming to through your TPO, that is training and placement officer. Case number two, if it is coming independently to you. Okay, now if your training and placement officer is releasing the results that these many people have been selected, and if your name is not there, then you are definitely rejected. Why? Because placement officers release results based on college wise. Okay, if it is like, sir, it is not through college, I'm getting independently the results and not through training and placement officer, my friends have received but I haven't received, which means you can wait for another week. What you could do is you could leave them a mail requesting about the status of your interview. You can just write a mail to them saying that, sir, I am this with this ID, and I still haven't received my results, but my friend have received. Could you please let me know the status of my selection? That would be of great help. So you can leave them a mail. Many people in the next step portal, they have seen that their candidature is reviewed by corporates. Okay, again you can wait. Why? Because these people mostly are people who are in borderline cases. Okay, almost selected or a bit rejection. So borderline cases, their results is withheld and they can wait till Jan. Okay, in Jan your results will be out. So these are few confusions which people have. So I hope I have mentioned it. Now we are focusing on Wipro NLTH. What magic we created in TCS, NQT, and digital. We are focusing on Wipro NLTH, and already we have finished 80 hours of live training. Okay. Now there are many students who are texting me and asking, sir, is any new batch starting for Wipro NLTH 2021, which will happen from Jan third week. Okay, so we are starting a new batch from December 29, 2020. Okay, this will be a 21-day program. So you can call it as a crash course. Okay, where we will be providing 140 hours of recorded classes. Every topic concepts we will be training. After that, what we will be doing is we will conduct live revision classes. For example, one chapter you have watched a recorded class, you understood the concepts. Now we will train you live on the type of questions which are asked in Wipro. Okay, so we will be conducting revision classes live, and you can even ask your doubts over there. And this will happen almost every day. So 140 hours of recorded classes, plus almost every day we will be having revision classes for you. And apart from that, you can even participate in our assessments which happen every week. You can participate in our competitions which happen every week. And also we have dedicated trainers who will address your queries if you have. So think about it. Okay, 140 hours of classes plus live revision classes chapter wise, which will help you to understand where to put the concept, how to put the concept, and when to put it. Plus, we have chapter wise assessment for you. We have chapter wise practice for you. We have mock papers and Wipro NLTH specific papers, 6 to 7 mocks, time based. All these resources we are providing so that we can train you as much as possible in these 21 days. Okay, so it is up to you to make use of this opportunity if you want to get placed in Wipro, because many students who got rejected in TCS unfortunately are eyeing at Wipro right now. Okay, so this is the golden opportunity for you to enroll at the earliest and start learning as soon as possible, because already there are many students whom we have already trained for 80 to 90 hours of life. Already they're ahead of you. So right now you still have the time. you can still cope up and you can clear Wipro NLTH 2021 with flying colors. Okay, so if you are ready to get enrolled, do click the link in the description which we provide, and I would love to see you in the training program, and it would be an honor to train all of you, a new batch starting from December 29. Okay, so I think I have addressed all your queries. 140 hours of recorded classes, plus you will get live training classes on revision chapter wise, plus coding classes will be conducted live. Okay, every day we will be doing coding classes for you live. Okay, apart from that, chapter wise practice, chapter wise assessment, mock papers, Wipro specific mock papers, interview training, all this will be provided to you. There's a lot. Okay, I we keep in making more and more. For example, TCS NQT, I told 100 hours of training and we ended up doing 130 to 140 hours. Okay, so there's a lot of things that we'll be doing. Our main objective is to see through it that we get maximum people placed. Okay, so see you at the training. Okay, click on the link and enroll as at the earliest. Take care, people. Thank you. Keep smiling.